Howdy folks, it's Handsome, and today we got a cool one today, y'all. Before we get into that, go to my website, check out my tools, check out my merch, check out all that good stuff right there. Know what I'm talking about? Yeah, so today we're having the R6 Mark II. Cool thing about this repair, literally this person drove, brought it in. He's like, hey, I need this by 9:30 tomorrow morning. It's already 3:45. I was like, go get a drink, go get a snack or something. Give me 15-20 minutes. I'll knock this out. But what's the issue, Handsome? The issue is y'all ain't hitting that subscribe button. No, I'm just playing. But the issue got right in here, the tripod socket. Look at that. There's nothing there. Going on and get up in there. You can see there's no rivets, nothing goes in. Look. It's like a hot dog in a hallway, if you know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about? No, I don't. But that should screw in and not fall out when it tips upside down. So what we're going to be doing is replacing the tripod socket. It's not as easy as everybody thinks it is, because when you think of it, you're like, oh, it's right there. You just got to do this, that, and the third. But it ain't like that. It ain't like that. It ain't like that. And I'm about to show y'all the pain that you have to do just to put this small part. Enough of the rubbish. Let's get in here. Viewfinder. We're gonna have to pull this whole back panel off. Whole back panel off, y'all. Then we're gonna have to take off the bottom plate. to take off this bottom plate. You got a little secret screw within the grip. Alright, now that you got all that off, you got to take these two from the main board. Oh wow, that's loose. Now, yeah, that's definitely bent. And there's one screw holding that in by itself. Yeah, that's bent. We're gonna give it a little. So this is from my junkyard. From an R6 Mark II, and I want to see something. Boom. All right. That is a hot shoe and I guess you could say secondary base plate replacement from impact damage. It is not what you think. It is more work than you expect. It is not as easy as ABC or 1, 2, 3. So, how you like that? Don't forget to go to my shop. Check out the stuff. Until next time, don't break nothing. Peace!